Stop counting calories on keto. You must count calories on keto. You're gonna find people on both sides of that spectrum in the keto community. The ones who are adamant that you shouldn't count calories, and the ones who are equally adamant that you should. It can be really confusing. Let's talk about it. A big reason for this is calories are not the main focus of the keto diet. Keto is really about accessing all the health benefits that come when your body is burning fat for fuel rather than carbs. Benefits like less brain fog, more energy, decreased inflammation, healthy blood pressure, and more. But one of the other benefits is that keto foods rich in fat and protein, tend to fill you up quicker with fewer calories. So because you're already full, you naturally cut calories without focusing on cutting calories. This is why many people say you don't need to focus on caloric intake on keto, because the food will naturally do that for you. However, although it is harder to overeat on keto, it's still possible, especially with keto treats. So if weight loss is one of your main goals, it would still be good to be aware of calories and ensure you aren't overeating or undereating. Yeah, I said undereating. It is common for people to think, well, if I eat nothing, I will lose weight faster. But when you starve yourself, your body becomes reluctant to let go of body fat. So if you have hit a stall, checking calories to see if you're eating too much or too little is a great way to get things going again. This is why some people say you should count calories on keto. So it really comes down to personal preferences. Keto foods will naturally help you cut calories, so you don't need to change a thing. But if you're not happy with the progress you're making, you may find that tracking calories a little closer can boost your progress. What keto questions should we answer in our next videos? Leave a comment below. And remember, keep calm and keto on.